morning guys and girls, how you doing? Right, you probably saw that in my hand actually. Curly whirlies. What do we do about curly whirlies? Oh, by the way, welcome to the beast. Welcome to my swoosh. I'm loving this hairstyle. Left it a bit wet today, bit of a wet look in it, right? So yeah, not too bad. Right, curls. Right, where do we start? 0.2 curl, which is basically an afro curl, right up to 3.5. 3.5 is what I have in my hair system. It just gives a slight wave in it. We also do poker straight, which we call stretch. That is an extra cost. That's $15, where they literally stretch the hair out, treat it a little bit so it stays very straight. I always go off, don't I? Now I'm on that bit, that's very straight hair. I've got quite a few clients, especially my Maltese clients. I've got quite a lot of Maltese clients that like to have straight hair. The only concern I got with straight hair is it can look flat off the base of the system. And if you're a new wearer, then you may find that quite difficult. I wouldn't, you know, I'll just put some work into it and with some products and so forth. But new wearers, it could look, as the saying goes, as flat as a pancake. And you don't want a hair system looking as flat as a pancake. So experienced wearers maybe, but then new wearers, I definitely wouldn't do bone straight, yeah? Right, so while I'm on this subject, we've got different ways: 3.5, 3.2, 3.0, 2.8, 2.5, 2.2, 2.0, and so on, which means absolutely nothing to you. So I'll just show you up like this. Here's some of our curls, and when people come to see me with curls, it's quite important that you speak to them about how they want it around the side. So let's just say there was a slight bend in the hair from the hair sample, but they wanted the short cut, then I wouldn't do the same bend around this area. Let's give an example, a 2.0. So it was 2.0 on the top, which is something like, let's have a look, something like, yeah, well, it's 2.5. There's a 2.0. Something like this on the top. Then I wouldn't put it there if they're going to go short. I'll put it into a 2.0. I'll put it into something like a 2.8, which would make it easier for the stylist to blend it and cut it in. Look, the bottom line is, if you don't know what you're designing, it can end up looking dodgy, right? So I'll give you a layman's example. If that's sticking out from the perimeter and it's cut in, it's going to stick out from the base like that, so it ain't going to look very good. So so basically, when people come and see me with curls, you know, I love curls through the middle, but I just graduate them around here, so it just blends. It's easier for the stylist. Yeah, so the afro curls, oh, I love it. Yeah, so for the afro type hair, they look fantastic. It's a bit unfortunate, but not many wanna tell the world about it. So but we do plenty of them, you know, and they look absolutely amazing. The best thing about we do is we've worked, and I've helped in this. We've got 7 different textures for afro. Yeah, so we call them perm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you just get that. I'll just show you a few here. You get that into the system, and what I like doing with these, do you know what? I might sprint out and get Sean Ray. You know, I just do this in vlogs, don't you? I just come up with some idea. I'm gonna go get Sean Ray in a minute. But what I do with these is generally with afro kind of hair and that kind of stuff. A lot of the clients come in and say, well, I really don't want that on the top, and I say, well, you've got to have it because it's relevant to the side. So if that's the case, I don't mind mixing up and making sure you got the texture exactly round here, and then just do less texture going up through the middle, and that gives them more freedom to style it. Right, before I close off on this, I'm going to do a runner and go and get Sean Ray, see if I can explain it. He's on the wall outside, about 25 yards away. See you in a bit. There we go, some music for you. Here he is. Sean Ray, and there gives an example. I've used a texture at the sides, the same as his, and then blended it where it's slightly less on top. So, I can't believe I just did that. Anyway, so there we go, gives you some idea. So, curls, I love curls, okay? Right, I'll end on this note. Me and Sean Ray saying goodbye, bye, and the Beast is saying goodbye too. See you next week, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.